Have you ever wondered what's it like owning a celebrity's car? And not just any car, their favorite car. Well, today I'm going to be showing you what I just bought. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today's video, I got something special to show you. I eventually bought my dream car. And you know what's something weird? My dream car happens to be someone else's dream car. And that someone else is just not someone. It is Richard Hammond. And one of his favorite cars is one of his favorite daily cars is a
Land Rover.
And yes, it's a Land Rover. But not just any Land Rover, it's a Defender. A Defender 90 2007 TD5. One of the greatest.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
I know what you're thinking. I have lost my mind to buy such an impractical car. But to be honest with you, this is not just your average Land Rover. I've been obsessed with Defenders since my teen years. I've always wanted a car that would give me that sense of adventure every time I drove it. After spending 3 years rebuilding a vintage Series 3 Land Rover that I bought, I knew I wanted my daily to be just as special. And you know what, guys? I finally did it. This Land Rover has been discontinued. And guys, let me tell you something. These things are an investment. Globally, prices have soared up just for these cars. But to get a really good one is a hell of a job, I can tell you that. I found my perfect car. Now, the car was completely stock when I got it, and who likes a stock car? I had to get my hands dirty on this thing. And I really wanted to make this car quite potent and just make it look cool. You know, in stock form, they're not bad, but you know what? I had a vision with this car and I wanted to make it look badass. Let me get back to it. So I want to show you a quick little tour as to what I've done with this car. One of the first modifications I've done to this car was actually performance. It's not fun when old lorries and buses start passing and slow cars are not that cool. And this thing's pretty slow. I decided to change the following. Behind this grille is a massive intercooler. Air goes right through into the radiator and into the intercooler. It disperses through these pipes, through the turbo and into the motor, which decreases the motor inlet temperature and increases horsepower. So the next upgrade I did was installing a hybrid turbo. Now what that does is it increases your boost, spools up faster, and you get a hell of a lot more power out of it. And of course, I straight piped the Defender. Another upgrade I've done to this car was I changed the gear ratios from a 1.8 to a 1.2, and that made a massive difference. Now the car actually has lower revs, so I get better fuel efficiency, and the car cruises at a healthier pace. It goes 120 km